Hello students, my name is Sehdev Sharma, Director Success Mantra. Today I am very happy that one of my student Anshu Sharma, he has scored 6.0 bands in his first attempt, and let me ask about his experience of my teaching. Anshu, can you share your experience please?
Yes, of course, sir. Well, it's a wonderful experience for me because the Success Mantra is a wonderful institute in my near to my hometown, and it's the way of the teaching of teachers is extremely well, and it's clear it is very they are very cooperative to me, and his teaching style is very much polished, and the tips and skills are very much polished, and whenever I have any doubt, my teacher is very cooperative to me, and they clear my all the doubts to, and it is very helpful in the examination to me. Thank you.
So this was Mr. Anshu, and he has scored his good bands, his desired bands, and he will be going abroad very soon. So dear students, if you have any doubt or you think that your IELTS is very difficult to clear, just contact to me. I will try to serve you the best. Thank you so much, and Anshu, all the best for your
Thank you,
future
sir.
endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.